What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be cleaning my own car. It is a 2013 BMW 328i xDrive. It's just covered in some dirt. The inside's a little messy. Let's get to it. Before we get into this detail, please take a second to subscribe, as it's a huge help to my channel and a lot of effort goes into making these videos for you guys. Now, as I'm going around the vehicle, you can see the car just looks a little worn down and dusty, as I haven't washed it in about a month. So this weekend I went out and bought a steamer, which means I can clean the interior of these vehicles up to my standards. As I begin pressure washing, I'll tell you a little bit about this car. I purchased it last December after driving a 2007 BMW 325 for about 6 months, and it has been a great car for me so far. Along with the steamer, I also purchased this ultra soft detail brush, which allows me to deep clean any of the vehicle's hard to reach areas, including logos, door handles, and the gas cap. Now, if you look at the back of the wheel well here, you can see that there is some road paint speckled on it. I plan on making an in-depth guide on how to remove road paint in the future, so stay tuned. When cleaning the windows, I usually roll them down a little bit so I don't forget about the tops, and then roll them back up to clean the rest. Alright, that's it for today's detail. My car cleaned up real nice. The steamer really helped out on the inside. And I'll see you guys in the next video.